Okay, in this video, I am going to write the equation from the graph for these three piecewise functions. So if I just want to write out my piecewise function for this graph, I would first pick out this horizontal line at y equals 3, and that is for all the values that are less than or equal to 0. So that's if x is less than or equal to 0. And then the equation of this line has a y-intercept of 1, and then it has a slope of positive 2. I can tell it goes up 2 boxes and then right 1 box to get to that line. So it has a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 1, and then that's for all the values that are greater than 0 for x, but not equal to because it's got an open circle right there. So that's it for the first one. Let me grab another color for the second one. So for this one, I'm just going to write it up here so they don't get too crowded. This one has 3 lines. So we have y equals 5 for all the values of x that are less than or equal to negative 2. This piece in the middle goes from, let's first pick out the equation of the line. So it has a slope, it looks like, of just 1 and a y-intercept of 0. So that's just x. And then it's between negative 2 and positive 2, and it's not equal to negative 2, but it is equal to positive 2. So we need to put x is in between 2 and negative 2, and then it's equal to 2, but not equal to negative 2. So that's it for that part of the graph. And then this line up here looks like if we continued down, it would touch at 4, and it still has a slope of just 1. So x plus 4 is just for all the values of x that are greater than 2. All right, and then let's look at the third one. So we would write out f of x, put our big curly brace to hold it all. So we have an equation of a line, it looks like at y equals 7 for all the values of x that are less than or equal to negative 2. This is our basic quadratic graph because it just goes over 1, up 1, and then 2 goes with 4. So that fits the characteristics of our parent quadratic function. And that's for values of x that go from negative 2 to positive 2. So put x between negative 2 and positive 2, and then it's equal to 2, but not equal to negative 2. And then we have this third piece of our graph. Let's see if we continue this graph up. Looks like it touches at 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it has a slope of negative 2. So let's put negative 2x plus 9, and that's for values of x that are just going to be greater than 2 but not equal to 2. Okay, so that's it for that part.